you with a check for your efforts here. The Lindale ISD Educational Foundation is a 501c3 foundation that was created to provide funds to teachers in the way of grants to allow them to do things in their classroom that are not covered by the normal district budget.
Committed group of Lindale parents, grandparents, teachers, business owners, and corporations that have bounded together to provide a fantastic educational opportunity for our students. We are independent of the Lindale ISD school district. This foundation operates and functions completely outside of the taxpayers' tax base.
Tax dollars keep the lights on, and your donations to the foundation brighten a child's future. Teachers are given a grant guideline. They submit a grant to the Lindale ISD Education Foundation. We have a committee that meets and reviews these grants along with input from district personnel. Then we select the ones that are most outstanding.
It's a program where the kids are recording their stories that they're reading, and the whole purpose of it is we want to improve their fluency.
When we got to school, we began to write out words and work on math all morning.
There's something about recording that just makes it just magical for them.
I read really fast in this one.
It sounds like they're talking, their fluency rate goes up. In fact, it has been wonderful. I've had like an 83% improvement in their fluency rate using the iPods and the pen mics to record their stories. And the good thing about the iPods is that they can pick them up anywhere they are and listen to those stories and practice reading along with them.
They're engineering robots to do specific tasks, and they have to program them through the computer. They're learning computer programming. They have to do problem solving because they have the task, and they have to figure out, how to make their robot do those tasks. There's different sensors. There's a touch sensor. There's a sound sensor. Their robots can talk if they would like for them to talk. The initial onset of looking into the competition became a problem because right off the bat we didn't have what we needed, and so the money that we're receiving from the foundation is going to make it possible for us to compete this year.
Grant Patrol is one of the exciting things that's happened to Lindale ISD. We meet at the ad building, load up with a lot of donors and supporters and board members and a few members of the band. We arrive on campus, go down the hall ringing bells and with a band drum line, and you can hear us all over the building, and teachers get pretty excited when we stop at their door.
Good morning.
Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. One of my students said, I know why they were here. And I said, why? And they said, because they're telling you you're doing a good job as a teacher. And I thought that was really cute.
One of the most rewarding experiences that I did was to attend the Academic Excellence Award Banquet. And this was the banquet where they recognized the top 10 students of Lindale High School. But what really made it rewarding was the fact that the students then recognized teachers that had made an impact on their life, that had been very influential in their educational years. And it was just very rewarding. There were a lot of tears, a lot of joy, I think more joy than tears, but it was a very rewarding experience. And that's just one of the many things that the Lindale Education Foundation is involved in.
Some of you may be asking the question, how can we help? There are several ways that you can help. Of course, you could be one of our committed donors that assists in funding the projects. Or you become a member of the LISD Foundation. We have a lot of resources available where we could use more people like yourself to help us. You could bring us other corporations or businesses that might be interested in helping our organization. Well, the stakeholders in the LISD Foundation, yes, of course, are the children, first and foremost. However, we all have a stake in this. This is our future. This is our community's future. This is our business world's future. We are creating the foundation that will lead us all forward.
We hope to continue to help Lindale excel in all areas. Right now, they're one of the top 6 school districts in District 4A, and so they have a great story, and our job is to get that story to the community and tell the community how they can help us continue to help students.
To all of our donors that supported our foundation and our children, from the past and in the future, we thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.